Alright guys, so we're here in the break room here at TRW, and we're going to test out the Bling Anything with the glitter heat transfer vinyl. Got some cold water in here right now, and we have stones with the glitter heat transfer vinyl with the Bling Anything on this side. So, load in the microwave here. Let's go for 30 seconds, see what happens. All looks pretty good, isn't sparking or anything. I think everything's going to look great here. For reheating your coffee, take this out here. Everything still looks perfect there. And yes, water's definitely hot. Good to go.